to use 3D texture on Runway. In order to do that, let's scroll down right here and then click on this tools. Now from in there, scroll down until you can see this option called 3D texture, wherein you can generate 3D textures with text wraps. Click on this right here, and then from in there, this will open this particular tool. So you can describe in here a texture that you want. So for example, let's put in here fur text. Now from in there, click on this generate option right here, and as you can see, this will generate this texture for you. So this particular image that this will generate can be used as a mesh for any games that you will develop using the Unity application. You can choose in here the resolution. So as of right now, it's around 512 times 712 pixels. You can change that up. You can change up the mesh, styling, ambient light, and a lot more. So this texture right here shall be used as a game asset for the game that you will develop. So head over and click on download right here if you're actually satisfied with this one. So that's how you use 3D texture on Runway. Hope we helped.